Hello and welcome to Banali's Kitchen. Today I am going to make peas curry. I am going to show you the very simple way to making the peas curry. So let's make the peas curry today. One glass water. Here soaked peas, 1 cup soaked peas, and here I am adding 1 onion and 1 potato. Half spoon salt. Now put the lid on and give 3 whistles, and then we will go to next step. Cumin seeds, jeera, ginger and garlic, some curry leaves, turmeric, mix, add the boiled peas in it. Here I am going to add coriander powder and cinnamon powder, dhania powder and dalchini ka powder. Mix it nicely. And here I am going to add, this is chili powder, and this one gobi Manchurian powder, or you can add chicken powder in it. Now mix it and your peas curry ready to serve. You can serve this with chapati or any kind of flatbread that you like. Now let me taste the salt. Good. Now I'm going to turn off the flame, and then it's done.